Hey there, welcome to the video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that macOS users face. Have you ever noticed that when you take a screenshot on macOS, the image ends up being much bigger in size when you paste it elsewhere? It can be quite frustrating, especially if you don't want to spend time resizing every pasted image. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. Recent macOS versions take screenshots at 144 dpi on Retina displays, which is different from the old standard of 72 dpi. Ideally, this shouldn't make a difference, as the image should be displayed at the same size. However, in reality, that's often not the case. The best way to deal with this is to resize the image using Automator. By creating a quick action to scale the image, you can easily resize it to your desired dimensions without having to manually adjust each time. In summary, if you're tired of dealing with oversized screenshots on macOS, creating a quick action using Automator to resize the images can be a quick and efficient solution. Simply set up the action, assign a key command, and resize your images with a press of a button. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy resizing.